Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Police Activity, and the title is Jacksonville Officer Uses Taser on Shoplifting Suspect. So this is another one of them videos that is very, very short, the actual body cam footage itself. So I'm just gonna read the little description and it'll be in the description box as well. But just so you have some context on what's going on when we actually watch the body cam footage. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office responded to a call for services at McDuff Ave. While on the scene, a Family Dollar employee flagged him down in the parking lot and informed him that a man later identified as Daniel Forrest had just stolen from the business and was running across the area. The officer drove and caught up to Forrest on some railroad tracks, and obviously he gets tased and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get into the video.
What? Hey, he's stealing out my store. That guy right there running.
Where? Which store?
Family Dollar. You can get that paper?
Here.
Hawk him down, my boy. Hawk him down.
Hey, HQ Juliet 144.
Oh yeah, he whipping that thing, boy.
Juliet 144. Do you have a single 9 in progress at the Family Dollar 929 McDuff? Long Mountain signal 9. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here right now. Brother, I'm gonna fucking tase you, man. I'm gonna fucking tase you.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're gonna get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shout outs, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Act right, boy.
HQ Juliet 144. One
Act
tase
right.
at the corner of Willow Branch and College.
Well, what he thought he was doing, huh? What he thought he was doing, huh? Listen, I don't know why they start taking off. They already caught. It's over. It's done. Now you got hit with that act right, man. Look at that, man. Look how you get hit with that act right real quick. That's what we call that act
Hey, come
right.
here.
It's gonna get you to act correctly. You hear me?
Come here. Hey, come here. Come here right now. Brother, I'm gonna fucking tase you, man. I'm gonna fucking tase you.
Act right. Act right.
HQ Juliet 144.
Yes, sir.
One tased.
You want
corner
stuck.
of Willow Branch and College. Turn over.
Yeah.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Yeah, get hit with that act right, boy.
Juliet 144.
Act like you got some common sense.
In custody and handcuffs. Just send rescue 1067. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Who's still
Get
rocking
up.
boxes like that, though? Pause. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
HQ Juliet 144. Send me another unit, please.
I told y'all that thing was real short, man. Real short, sweet, man. Gotta listen. That's what we call that act right, man. Whenever an officer gotta use that, that necessary force to get you to act right. That's what we call that act right. You know what I'm saying? So we say, hey, brother, I'm gonna tell you, hey, brother, you better act right. If you don't act right, boy, okay. We gonna make you act right, boy. Okay. That boy hit him with that bow. He said, oh, he was on stuck, you hear me?
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.